Hello, our YouTube family. Johan Fonseca with Empire V inviting you to look, listen, and live with us. Here today with my business partner,
Stewart. We are here at Redzone today. It's kind of like family. It's pretty much like our home gym.
All right, so we're inside, and it's only right that I let Mr. Gerald Redmond take us in. We are Redzone. Red, I need you to join us for the camera for a second.
Man, let me get this man the mic.
Give him the mic.
Man.
Where are we at, Red? Where are we today?
So we're with some of the best AV people in the business at Redzone Training Center on the north side of Houston, Texas. Make sure if you need a 24/7 gym membership, you come check us out. If you need it, we have it. If you want to get fit, you're going to get fit. We guarantee results. Come check us out.
Red he has been not just a friend, but a loyal customer, a returning customer. We've done a lot of stuff here, and I'm gonna take them through that. Please. But I just want you, not to the cameras there, but I want you to give our YouTube channel just an honest opinion of your experience with it.
Honest?
I need you to keep it raw and honest. We do good editing, so we're good.
Seriously, this company, we've been working together now for at least 6 years. They've done our, access entry for our doors. They've done our cameras. They've done our TVs, audio system. I can't say enough. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't have any sound that you hear in the background right now. We wouldn't have cameras to look at. But seriously, if you're looking and you have a business to run, these guys can come together, set you up with a plan, because that's what they did for me, and they'll get you taken care of. So much love to these guys right here.
Appreciate you, baby. We're gonna get a great workout in today. I'm gonna give you a tour of the cameras and everything we've done. It is a must. So first, let me take you out through this workout, and then we'll show you all the cool stuff. Let's go change.
I hear him chat to the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys, man's so tough, but man's keep walking.
This project, we're gonna start at the front door. This is the access control. In this gym, we have installed an actual gym access control that allows them to have all of their members check in on the other side of the door. This is a maglog and a strike that is closed unless you're standing in front of it with this motion sensor or you have a key to get in. We do have an emergency exit button just for standard and security and make sure that we're up to code. But this is one of the things that we've installed here from the door. From inside, as soon as you come in, you get to see what we did here. Now, this is an awesome gym. I could be wrong, but I believe this is 10,000 square feet, full workout area, cardio equipment. We got some stuff upstairs. But as we're working our way through here, one of the things that I want to show you is Brotherhood. Here, we installed their own camera system. This is an 85-inch TV. Now, keep in mind, it is early, so they haven't even opened yet. But normally, this is an 85-inch Samsung display that has ads playing the whole day. This is where you get to see the clothing, the sales, some of his marketing material. 85-inch Samsung BET series commercial display. We do have a camera system for him to be able to view his shop and keep his eyes on it. As we continue to work our way in here, now before I take you over there, I do want to give a big shout out to Karma Cycle. They are closed once again, and I'm recording this video early in the morning. The gym is empty. As you can see, some people are still coming in, but at Karma Cycle, we actually installed all of the Philip Hughes lighting for the experience. If you have never done a cycle class, awesome place to do it, great atmosphere, an amazing staff, cool environment, LED, cool lighting. That's next time we come back, I'll take you in there. Let me take you around the whole perimeter. Let's go this way, because one of the things you'll notice is there is cameras basically everywhere, not just for the business owner, but for security purposes, for the staff, for the members. We want to make sure that everyone has peace of mind that if there is anything that happens, there's footage of how it happened. This right here, it's our local audio connection. This is where the audio system for the gym was wired to. This is an ongoing project, so we currently have 2 powered speakers, but it is pre-wired for additional zones of audio. These are all 4 megapixel camera, day and night vision, cameras. These allow you to view them from anywhere in the world as long as you have a network connection. You can view them. You can replay, you can rewind, you can zoom in, you can zoom out. Just an amazing piece of equipment. If you currently don't have a camera system, just know that it will give you a peace of mind, and whether it's residential or commercial, we can help. There's cameras everywhere, so I don't want to show you every single one of the cameras, but there is a few things that I want to point out from in here. That is a 15-inch powered speaker with another one, as we turn them this way, Chris. Got another one up here. This is another 15-inch powered speaker. Both of the speakers are linked up to the audio system in there. We currently have everything running off of a wireless connection from an iPad in the front counter to wirelessly send over here and control it from here. We do have volume control from the iPad, and later on, as we add that separate zones of audio, there'll be volume control and source control at those locations. This is a new gym, so you'll see additional wiring hanging out. We have lines for Wi-Fi expansion, which we just literally just talked to Red about this. We are going to be doing some Wi-Fi expansion. As his gym is growing, his Wi-Fi and his network is taking a beating. So we're going to create a guest network for his guests to be able to have Wi-Fi and not affect his day-to-day in his business. This right here is one of the TVs that we have mounted in this gym. It looks little, but believe it or not, that is a 75-inch TV mounted about, 18 feet in the air. This is wirelessly running this gym. There's a power outlet that was added. And then from here, we do have a Roku built into it. That way they can stream. Usually, since this is a bodybuilding gym, every time there is a competition here, they basically show the competition live on this television. Becoming a professional bodybuilder takes a really long time. We got a lineup of 5 professional bodybuilders that were made out of this gym, that are actually homegrown from this gym. So I want to give these professional bodybuilders a shout out. These are people that have dedicated hours and hours and hours of their life to this. So on this video with Empire AV Services and Installations, I want to make sure I mention them. Talked about the TV, we talked about the speakers, we talked about the cameras, we talked about the access control. There is one more room that I want to take you to upstairs, so we show a couple of more of the televisions. Let's go upstairs and check it out. Now we are in the dungeon and the posing room for Redzone. As you can see, we have more cameras, more televisions mounted in the dungeon. This is a place where everybody in the gym comes in. This is where the fat gets burned. This is where everybody gets better. Wanted to make sure that I brought you here to show you. This is a gym out on the north side of Houston. Whether you are from Houston or anywhere, if you're ever in the city, definitely a place to come. The Mr. Olympia, Mr. E-Banks himself, when he's in town, this is where he works out. So it is a great gym, not just because they're our clients and Red is my friend, but it is definitely a place that has allowed us to bring value and bring our business into it. So I want to make sure I highlight them. Let's go find Red so he can actually tell you about his experience with Empire AV. I got Red here. The one thing that I want to emphasize is security.
Major. Now, these guys and even my staff, it's thanks to these guys I can spy on my staff. Literally everything from, I can't tell you how many cameras on in person, but I have a safe peace of mind knowing that I'm always have access and I always can see what's going on in my business. So like I say, right here on the phone, I have it hooked up other places too. So it's been great. And literally, even if something has happened, which unfortunately something has happened in the past, I can always go right back, play it back and see everything. So I'm telling you, it's real deal.
All right, so that is a wrap for this video. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you tuning in. I brought you into the commercial world of Empire AV Services. This is Redzone, Texas, a great business, a great culture, and I'm glad I was able to bring you into this. Mario had to leave to an appointment as soon as we finished the workout. However, I thank you. I thank Red for allowing us to be here today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think. Outside of that, have an awesome day.